China calls time. Welcome Senator Jaworski to the PhilSports Arena, of course, to enjoy the very best of volleyball action. Amidst the cheers from his millions of fans here in the Philippines, alam mo talaga pag sinabi mo sports fan ng isang Pilipino, hindi lang basketball, hindi lang volleyball, pero lahat ng mga sports, they're very knowledgeable.
We've seen a lot of interesting people in the audience, and listen to the crowd chant, Brazil!
I think it's Jaworski, if I'm not mistaken. Was it Brazil or Jaworski? Hindi ko lang talaga masabi. But the fans here at the PhilSports Arena loving every minute of it. Talagang sulit na sulit yung bayad nila. Remember, this is only game number 1.
Hindi ba itong finals? Although palapit na ng palapit.
Yin.
Almost saved there by Leila Barros.
What a touch shot there by Yin. She showed us her power. This time nakikita natin na she can also do it with some finesse.
Oh yeah, that's what she did all over the place against Cuba yesterday.
But still, China down by 7, 20-13. And Valeska, a one-man block, will not do it against her. She's just too powerful.
Nice conversion there as we see some of the VIPs here. We got Jinggoy Estrada, Mayor Jinggoy Estrada, enjoying
to
the
his
action.
right, of course, there we have Butch Tuason. Behind them, we have PSC Commissioner Monico Puentebella. So a whole lot of people have made their way dito po sa ating PhilSports Arena for the final day of the World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix. Chance for Leila.
She's blocked. What a rally we have here for foul. Sinuntok yung bola. Uruguay tries to end it, and she does off of the block of Karin Rodriguez. Quick plays there, going left and right. Quick conversions from both teams. And China, if they want to make it here, they have to score those points and score them quick.
They're running out of time.
They cannot give Brazil the space here because it's already 21-14. Apat na lang ang hinahanap ng Brazil. At kapag umikot yung rotation at mapunta si Erica sa serve, eh malamang matatapos na maaga ito.
And a service ace there by the Chinese. That's what they need. Quick points to get them back into this.
15-21. We're looking for 6. Let's see if Wuyong May's roundhouse serve. This is Wuyong May. Siya lang ang meron yan. Wow, Anthony!
And we keep talking about it, but my goodness, whenever they have a chance to pull close, they come up and shoot themselves in the foot.
It's all about serves here. The excellent ones from Team Brazil and the awful ones from China.
We've seen the good and we've seen the bad. And that's why China is down.
Erica
Coimbra! China still into it. Doug. Erica from the back. Just placing it. Will it be enough? Not yet. For foul. Goes outside to Erica.
That's off the block. Erica again. Erica Coimbra did it again. Creating the most damage here for China. 23-15. Natitikman na nila. Nararamdaman na ng napakadaming Brazilian fans dito. Mukhang magbobronze yata yung mga bata natin.
Not just smelling it, but tasting it too. Getting ready for dessert. Not yet.
Bad break for Papao and China. China needs to hang in there. China has done it before. China shows that they really keep their composure. Pero kailangan talaga nilang madaliin ito. At the peculiar thing about this is we are in an Asian country and Brazil is enjoying the support of the crowd here. And China, kahit paano siguro na-apekto din dyan. We saw Korea get affected by this kind of support that Brazil is getting when they met head-to-head earlier. And I think this is what China is suffering now.
Well, the Brazilians really supported by the Filipinos. The Filipino fans have come to love this Brazilian team. And they have now considered the Brazilians part of their own. From the back row, Raquel. That is long.
Outside. And they're saying touched last by the Chinese, but not according to our first referee, Dean Turner.
And China is still into it. 23-17 is our score.
Buhay pang China, no!
And once again, you know, I don't know what this is all about, but it really has to boil down to serves.
And they just set themselves up for doom here.
And
Heiki.
wouldn't it be a fitting end, Chicky, for Erica Coimbra to come up with a service ace here to end this match?
And she is dubbed by Wu Yongmei. Not just yet. That's a point for China, but they have a long way to go. China looking for 6 more points to tie it up with Brazil to play for set number 5. And it has been the awful serving of Team China.
Well, Team China has 6 more bullets to dodge. We'll see if they're able to dodge this one. Serve-receive position for Brazil. Could they end it? Combination with Leila. And Leila Barros has ended the campaign of the Chinese and bagged 3rd place for herself and the rest of the Brazilians.
And look at this crowd, just loving it. Leila got that last point. She is still everybody's hero here at the Phil Sports. And Brazil, the bronze medalist for the 2000 World Volleyball Grand Prix. What a showing.
After coming up with a disappointing first set, losing 25-12, they've come up big, winning the next 3 sets, 13-18, if I'm not mistaken. And now, this time in commanding fashion, have just demolished and said goodbye to the Chinese contingent.
And it's going to be difficult to talk over the crowd here, Anthony, but everybody is just thrilled to death with